In this video, I'll show you how you can add tiles on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, when you swipe left or right from the watch face, you can see these are what we call the tiles. So if you'd like to add other tiles on this list, all you have to do is find any tile like this one, and then press and hold it for a few seconds, and then you should see these icons appear. So to add another one, simply tap on this plus icon, and then you should see a list of available tiles that you can add on the other tiles. So all you have to do is scroll down and find the one that you'd like to add. So for instance, this particular one, the YouTube music tile, tap on it, and that particular tile will be added on the other tiles. So once you're done, you can simply press the crown button and the changes will be applied. So when you swipe left or right, you can now find that new tile. Now you can also do this using the O Health application on your phone. So grab the phone that is currently paired to your OnePlus Watch 4 and then launch the application. And then from here, tap on the device at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and select tiles. Now from here, you should see a list of all the tiles that are currently available on the watch as we speak. And then right at the bottom, you should see the add tiles section. So these are the additional tiles that you can add on your watch. So to add a tile, like let's say for instance, Google Maps, simply tap on the plus icon and that particular tile will be added. So as you scroll through, you can now find that tile. So here it is, it has been added. Once you're done, you can exit. And then when you go to your watch, now you can slide left or right and you can now find the new tile. So this is the tile that we just added using the application. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.